Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and future millionaires. Did you know that Coinbase, one of the world's most popular cryptocurrency platforms, isn't just for buying Bitcoin and staring at charts? It's also a fantastic way to make real money. That's right. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, Coinbase has money-making opportunities that might just blow your mind. Stick with me because today, I'll show you how to turn Coinbase into your personal ATM. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more smart money tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these gems. Step 1. Earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. Let's start with the easiest way to make money on Coinbase, Coinbase Earn. Believe it or not, Coinbase will actually pay you to learn about cryptocurrencies. It's like getting paid for attending a class, except this time, you're learning how to get rich. You watch short videos about crypto projects, answer a couple of quiz questions, and voila, free crypto in your wallet. Don't sleep on this. Some people have earned hundreds of dollars just by being curious. Step 2. Buy low, sell high, aka trading. Of course, we can't talk about Coinbase without mentioning trading. The classic buy low, sell high strategy is alive and well. But here's the thing. It's not about gambling on the next meme coin, RIP to all the Dogecoin millionaires who missed their exit. Instead, focus on researching solid projects, set realistic goals, and use tools like stop-loss orders to manage your risks. Pro tip, keep an eye on Coinbase's price alerts. They can be lifesavers in the volatile crypto market. Step 3. Staking rewards. Did you know that you can earn passive income just by holding certain cryptocurrencies on Coinbase? It's called staking, and it's basically like earning interest on your savings. Coins like Ethereum and Solana offer rewards when you stake them. The best part? You don't need to do anything except sit back and watch your balance grow. It's like farming, but digital. Step 4. Refer friends and earn. Got friends who are curious about crypto? Invite them to join Coinbase using your referral link. Every time a friend signs up and trades, you both earn free Bitcoin. It's a win-win. Here's the strategy. Host a crypto night with friends, talk about Coinbase, and casually share your link. Next thing you know, you're stacking free Bitcoin faster than your friends can say blockchain. Step 5. Leverage Coinbase Pro. If you're serious about trading, switch to Coinbase Pro for lower fees and advanced tools. It's like leveling up your trading skills without paying extra. Lower fees mean more profit, and more profit means, well, more crypto for you. Step 6. Explore NFTs on Coinbase Wallet. Here's the 2024 twist. Coinbase's wallet makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. Got some artistic talent or a flair for flipping digital collectibles? Coinbase Wallet is your gateway to the booming NFT market. Just remember, not all NFTs are gold. Some are, let's just say, abstract investments. Step 7. Long-term holding, HODLing. Finally, if trading and staking sound too complicated, there's always the good old strategy of HODLing. Buy cryptocurrencies with strong potential, store them securely, and wait for them to moon. The key here is patience. Crypto winters are real, but so are crypto summers. And there you have it, 7 exciting ways to make money with Coinbase. Whether you're earning free crypto, staking, trading, or diving into NFTs, there's something for everyone. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to make money with Coinbase? Drop it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. You don't want to miss out on more tips to grow your wealth in this digital age. Let's turn those coins into cash. See you next time, crypto fam.